Hope everything is cool. Today I'm going to show you how to download photos and videos to your phone from Google Drive. Be sure to subscribe and let's go. I often use Google Drive to share files to my social media management clients, or as a hub where both my client and I can exchange files. Of course, the usual file types are photos and videos, and my clients often have difficulty in getting these files to their phones. So, of course, you would tap on Google Drive app once you have that app on your phone and access the folder where the photo or video is uploaded. The photo I wish to download is the third item and the video is the fourth item. So the three dots to the right of each item contains the options for that item. I tap on the three dots and scroll till I see the arrow that says send a copy. Then I tap on that, of course, send the copy. And then when the share menu pops up, I tap on save image. Save image. So now we're gonna go to my gallery to see if the image was saved, and it seems like it indeed was saved. So we're gonna go back into Google Drive now. Now let's try the same thing with the video. We're gonna tap the three dot option for the video. Send a copy is what we're gonna tap on. Arrow, send a copy, and then save video. So three dot option, send a copy, tap on save video. However, it takes a while to export. Sometimes it takes a while to export depending on the size of the video file. My video file is actually, I think, in 4K, and it's probably half of a gig, so it will take some time. This really requires patience, and we're in real time right now. The video has not been sped up, so be patient, wait on the export. I often recommend accessing the file via your PC if you don't have the time to wait, but we'll wait. This is real time, as I told you, and it will soon be over. Right, so you're gonna wait on your video to export. While we wait on the video to export, I'd like to take this time to thank you for watching all of my videos if you have been a subscriber. But if you haven't yet, please do subscribe. These videos are free. I post every week on Thursdays and Tuesdays, either both or one of, but there's going to be a video every week. Let's also get social at Blasted Tech on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. After exporting the video, it should actually be saved in our gallery. So let's go across there to check out if it was actually saved. Let's see. Yes, it was. Voila, it was saved. In Google Drive, again, you also have the three dot option, the side option, to open in. That is to open the video in another app. Of course, it will take some time again to export, testing your patience. But when it's done, and I would have sped it up this time, when it's done, the share option menu will pop up and you have the option to share to your social apps or your video editing apps, just about anywhere else that you'd like to share your video. So voila, it's really easy, really simple. I of course shared you to the process on my iPhone, but you could also do this on your Android devices. So I really hope that this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Blasted Tech and also watch one of our previously uploaded videos. Blasted Tech is here to connect your passion and productivity right in the palms of your hands. So thanks again. Bye.